I'm Phil Reid, Managing Director of Varamis Rail, and we're here today at Birmingham International Railway Station to see our innovation for the funding from the Connected Places Catapult. The innovation for our service was all about the speedy processing, cross-transferring products, parcels, items from this very transfer dock that you see today onto our train, which at the moment is around about 80 metres in distance. The solution for our innovation is all about making that process quicker, whether it's by automation, robots, or a system that's put in place to make sure that the products that we're moving is both speedy, quick, and in essence more efficient than what it currently is now. Varamis Rail has brought about this new sector in the rail industry for express rail freight. The biggest challenge we have at the moment is bringing purposeful facilities back into use, like this one here at Birmingham International. The challenges that we will always have with bringing repurposed facilities back into use is that they're usually traditional, old, and not really fit for purpose in today's climate for moving express rail freight around the UK. We were really pleased and very proud to be part of the Clean Futures programme and applying for funding to support this new innovation for this sector of the railway. We believe this innovation will be critical in offering a viable solution to the logistics sector in the future from the railway. The goals and aspirations of Varamis Rail of being part of this Clean Futures programme is to be able to offer a new solution that's quicker, faster and more efficient, and that we can scale this up around other locations and sites around the UK. This really is the first of a kind for a solution for express rail freight platforms of the future. Express rail freight we see as a huge market for the rail industry within the UK, not just in Birmingham at the moment, but all the major towns and cities could play a really critical part in delivering a decarbonised transportation model to their local areas in the near future. Not just in the near future, but as we get towards net zero 2050. What we like to promote at Varamis Rail is a trunk line haul element of goods distribution with our electric train, supported by regionalised sustainable delivery solutions in towns and cities like this at Birmingham. This funding from the Clean Futures programme will help the UK decarbonise its economy onto a scale that we believe is quite exponential.
So part of our USP is the speed of our delivery, our express freight service, and the cross-docking is really important for us. And BCMIO are helping us find a cross-docking solution to support the speed of service that we need. We're looking at using autonomous robotic solution to take the trolleys effectively off the truck and onto the train. So we have a robotic solution that understands the path that we need to be taking. It's also got anti-collision mechanics on it to ensure that our safe system of work remains intact throughout this service. So BCMIO have been instrumental in supporting not only the technology but as well the commercial aspects of a startup that's often required that we just don't have the resources for. So for instance, they've supported us in brand development, understanding marketing solutions, and providing us insight into data and research activities that we could undertake. I think the most important aspect for us was the speed of a cross-docking solution. We come into various stations. We don't have our own facility at the moment, although we're working with Network Rail to achieve that. At the moment, we're having to use stations and other facilities from other freight operators, and we therefore need a very fast solution. We bring our train in and we need that train to leave in a suitable time period in order for us to load the goods and load the goods off. So we were looking for a cross-docking solution. And BCIMO were very instrumental in helping us find that solution. So from a business perspective, we're able to do it very efficiently and effectively using an autonomous solution. It delivers the goods from the truck onto the train in a safe and effective way. So the benefit for our business is that we needed a solution that we could go straight from the truck onto the train and vice versa. We do not have a facility where we can store the goods at the moment, and therefore this solution enables us to grow our business through acquisition of customers that can deliver to us on the platform and take the goods as well on the end journey from the platform. From the greater picture in terms of what we're hoping to achieve from sustainability is that we take off 6 HGVs for every 4 carriage train that we have. So our carbon saving is significant. In addition to that, we also take congestion off the roads. So we're helping to lessen the burden on infrastructure and the growing infrastructure that's using EV vehicles. So our ability to deliver for the wider UK is, if you take, for example, our one delivery from Birmingham to Glasgow, we can effectively take, in terms of carbon reduction, it's 14,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent over an annual period. And in terms of congestion, we take, it's the equivalent of going around the world 44 times as the amount of mileage in terms of trucks that we would take off for a 4-carriage train.